Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Dart headlight bulb. Replacing a headlight bulb might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process you can do yourself with just a few simple tools. We'll walk you through each step, from gaining access to the bulb to testing your new light. This guide will help you restore your vehicle's visibility and ensure safe driving in no time. Let's get started. To begin, turn your front wheel fully to the side, either left or right depending on which headlight you're replacing, to create enough space. Next, locate the small rectangular access panel within the wheel well liner and gently press its tab to remove it. This reveals the back of the headlight housing. Now, carefully rotate the round black dust cap 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it off, setting it aside safely. With the dust cap off, you'll see the old headlight bulb. Rotate its base 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out. Next, gently pry back the gray plastic retaining clip to slide the electrical connector off the old bulb. Now, take your new 9012 bulb, avoiding touching the glass, and push the power plug straight onto its base until it clicks. Insert the new bulb into the housing and rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Almost done, carefully replace the round black plastic dust cap, rotating it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Then, reinsert the wheel well liner access panel, ensuring all tabs are aligned and it snaps firmly into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates. Check both your low and high beams to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Great job, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.